Welcome to week 7. We are going to go through the second half of stress and talk about how to manage stress and what that looks like with coping skills and resiliency. So this week you will need to watch at least 3 of the managing stress talks that I've included in the Blackboard site. I would say that I'm not assigning which ones to watch just because it's very personalized and, it depends on the person and what works for them. So an opportunity for extra credit this week is to complete a paragraph write-up for each of the ones that you watch about why you chose those ones, what stood out to you, and then what you plan to implement as a result. And send those to me in an email by the end of the week. And then you'll have up to 5 points extra credit added to your first unit exam score. Okay, so you will have the coping, resilience, and social support section in the book is going to be right here. So complete all aspects of the folder. This is where you'll find the Managing Stress Talk videos that I've incorporated. Are included. We've got the smart book, the quiz. There is no lab this week, but one thing you will have to do is complete this coping skills worksheet. It is 9 pages long. I'm going to show you. And what you need to do is write in these columns. So complete these examples. One thing that you will want to make sure that happens is that it is saved. So I would recommend typing a couple sentences or a word, even saving it and seeing, and just making sure that it does save, because I would hate for someone to go through absolutely all of this and then lose all of their work because it didn't save. So anytime that there is a box, you will want to fill it out and just go through each one of these. Not every page has something that you have to do, but there are, quite a lot of things that you'll need to read and go through it as part of this worksheet. So then you'll submit it into this link as well. So make sure that it's all saved, and then you can submit that. You're on your last week of journaling for the behavior change project. So keep going strong. You have this last week to implement your changes and to provide, feedback in that journal. And then you also have your final week of the meditation training. So if you have questions about that, more information is provided in the previous week, or the instructions are included in the journal link as well. So that's really what I have for you this week. It's not a ton, but your first opportunity for extra credit, go through and review all aspects of the Blackboard site and complete each assignment. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a really great week.